Welcome to Mr.ALF's barbecue. I have my assistant Sonic here that's going to be helping me. We're going to have a competition amongst these two young turkeys. On this corner we have a 12.5 pound young smoked turkey, and on this other corner we have a 12.25 young oven baked turkey. As you can see, I've already cleaned them, already pat dried them. I've already taken out the bone neck on both of them and the innards, and we're gonna see which one of these is up for the challenge and which one comes out on top. What do you think, Sonic? Who do you think is gonna come up on top?
My money's on oven baked turkey.
And my money's on the smoked turkey. So we'll see who's the winner. Okay, before we put them in our brine, we're gonna do some. We're gonna pierce them. You guys can use a knife, a fork, or whatever you guys have handy that you guys can do some piercings with. Try to get every single spot. With the bone neck and the innards, we're not going to use them for this recipe. You guys can choose to use them or dispose of them at your like. And you know, we do this piercing so that the brine and all these herbs that we use get all the way down to the meat and help tenderize and savor this turkey. It helps add a lot of flavor to it. Turn it around. Okay. I think that should probably be good right there. Okay. Here we're injecting this turkey with our special recipe here. Make sure we try to get it everywhere we can. We're gonna load them up. Make them full of flavor. Be a very flavorful turkey here we're gonna have. This little bird is gonna have tons of flavor. Right underneath the skin, I'm putting pieces of butter, as you can see right here, all over the turkey. Just spread them out, tenderize it. A lot of flavor. Okay, as you can see, I got my fire going here on my charbroil offset smoker. Got to get it started so we can get the temperature up to 275. That's where we want a temperature to smoke this turkey. I'm starting my fire off with some red oak for the heat, get the coals going, and then we're gonna give it flavor with some cherry wood. We use cherry for our flavor. Put our turkey into the smoker. I've already added my cherry wood to smoke my turkey. It's gonna give it lots of flavor. Let me open this up. My turkey. I'm gonna put it breast up. I got a pan to catch all the drippings right underneath. As you can see on the other side here, I have a water pan which I've added some apple juice to it so it'll be moist. We're gonna check into it in about 2 hours or so, maybe. Around that time, I'll put the probe in, set it at 165, and we should pull it off the smoker around 165, 170. All right, we'll see you guys then. Okay, we've reached the 2 hour mark with our turkey. I'm gonna open it up so I can put the probe in there. We're gonna put it on the breast right here. All right there. Then I'm gonna spritz it with some apple juice. Looks very moist, very good. I like the color, I like the texture of it. We're good, really good. Okay, we've hit the 3 hour mark with our turkey in the smoker. I'm about to open it up to take a look at it. Got a nice color to it, a little bit of bark. It's got internal temperature at 152 degrees right now, so I'm thinking maybe another hour, hour and a half. This one might be ready. don't know if you guys can see right here, the meat started to split off the bone right there. It started to come off pretty good. So, you know, we're not too far from this turkey being ready. Press down. And wrap it in foil for the last 5 degrees, 10 degrees. And we'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. As you guys can see, under the skin, I put pieces of butter on the turkey, and that's gonna help flavorize it, tenderize it.
Okay, so I'm gonna be brushing this.
Okay, this is the oven baked turkey. This is gonna go in the oven. Got it already basted. I've already injected it, and now I'm gonna stuff it with some oranges, some apples. I got some onion right here, and some garlic.
This is the one I have my money on.
And we'll see about that. I still have my money on the smoked turkey. I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. This is gonna be interesting. I can tell you guys one thing. These turkeys, they're both full of flavor. Okay, now we're gonna put our turkey in a turkey bag. Okay, you guys can follow directions on the box. Spoonful of flour in here, like so. Now we're gonna. Okay, Mr. Assistant, I need you to hold this right here, please. And you hold the breast down. And now we'll poke some holes in this bag so it can breathe and get the air out as it's cooking. I've already got my oven preheated and set at 350 degrees, and it's ready. So now we'll open it up and we're gonna put our turkey in. We're set. And we'll take it out when it reaches a temperature of 165, 170, internal temperature, that is. It's been over 2 hours since we put our turkey in the oven. I'm gonna open it up, take a quick look, check the temperature, and see where we're at. Pull this out. Over here. 160, so we're almost there. Flip my turkey around so we can get the breast up. And I'm gonna cut into this bag and then slice it right here, open it up so that the breast can get caramelized. I'm gonna baste it with some sauce. Look at that, guys. Looking really good. Almost there. Maybe another half hour. And this turkey's coming. Okay, it's been about 3 hours since we put our turkey in the oven. Let's check the temperature on it. Look at all that juice. Right here on the breast. All right, this one's ready to come out. 170. You see that it's coming off the bone right here on both sides. And you see it's coming apart right there. So I'm gonna take this one out. Okay, this is the oven baked turkey we did. It's a 12¼ pound turkey. It took a little bit over 3 hours. Got it at 170, so we pulled it out. I got it covered in foil. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna cut into it. Okay, we're ready to slice our oven baked turkey and give it a try. Yummy, yummy. You guys can see it's coming off the bone right here. Ooh. The legs. Let me turn it around.
Is that yours or mine?
This is the one you had your money on.
Oh, I feel like
look at that. Oh man, how easy. Look at that.
And that smells so
I don't know if you guys can see that. Juicy.
Was that the lemon?
Cut through the skin here. Alright, let me slice this one right here. We're gonna give it a try. It's hot, hold on, hold on.
Okay.
Alrighty. Give it a try. It's gonna be hot. Be careful.
Wait.
Very tender. A lot of flavor. Lots of flavor. Not
Good.
dry at all.
That's
It's got
good.
plenty of juice in it. This one's still a winner. Okay, we'll see you guys in about half an hour. This is good. Very good. I want more.
I know.
This right here is the barbecue sauce that we injected into it. So I know it might look like it's bleeding or something, but it's not. This turkey is fully cooked in 70 degrees internal temperature.
He's right.
Like I said, plenty of flavor. This juice we have here can also be used to throw on top of it. And I don't know what to tell you guys, but you guys have to try it out. It's only one way to find out. You got to try it out.
Ooh, the juice is coming out. When the juice comes out, it will be good. Q. Anyway, you cut it out. It's still gonna be good. And any shape, any side, it's gonna be good.
Now we're gonna wait for the smoked turkey to come out. I would say maybe another half hour or so. We'll cut into that one, give it a try, and then we'll decide which one of these two big boys took the prize home. Okay guys, the moment of truth has came upon us. The smoked turkey is now ready to be cut into. Took a little bit over 4 hours, probably about 4.5 to be exact. It smells delicious. Can't wait to cut into it and try it out, because Sonic and I have a little wager going on over here.
Yep. The sound.
Nice, like butter.
The juice is coming out on the side.
I don't know, guys. I can smell the cherry wood.
But mine,
Got a really nice,
I think
strong
mine's gonna win.
smoke flavor to it.
I think both are gonna have a tie. I think it's gonna be a tie.
I don't know about ties. I don't know about ties, Sonic. Slice into it. Slicing it without any.
I mean,
Look at that. Okay.
a little piece.
I'm sorry, but the taste, hands down. I can't say it. This one has that wood taste that you just can't compromise. They're both really juicy and flavorful and tasty, but the fact that this one was smoked with cherry wood in the smoker, I think this one outdoes it. What do you think? Did you try it?
Yep.
What do you think? Which one's better?
Mine.
Well, of course. You know, what can I say? But guys, I'm telling you, they're both great.
They're both, I think it's a
This
nine.
one to me, because of the taste of the smoke flavor in it,
Actually,
it's 2 thumbs up. Give it a try. Let me know.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, you want to wrap this up?
Sure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Give a comment down below. Oh, did I already say subscribe?
Like.
Like. Give a comment. I already said that.
And share.